I don't know what you did. I don't even know what you're trying to do.
Really? This is weird. Yeah,
Look at the camera.
Silent. It's not even
Yeah.
I slept through 2 periods. Look at the sky. Wait, what? I was so neat.
Just stay away.
What the heck is this? What the heck is this?
It's nothing.
It's nothing. It's nothing.
Go.
That was bad. What fuck you? What the fuck you?
What about the fuck
You weren't supposed to put a smiley face. You're supposed to be upset.
Alex, you have God. You know
There is a
Jesus.
God.
You know that my foot's gonna fall out.
You don't have one.
I'm falling. Oh, Janice. Come here.
The camera like up here. Just like...
Start driving. I got the door. It's fine.
You got the door?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do, man?
Ready.
I'm not gonna run you over.
Not yet.
Smells gross. It's pulled out of the garbage. Stop! It's over now.
Oh, Christian.
Hi. Nothing. Why don't you sound happy to talk to me? Oh, you're so funny. No. Go. Let's do it. No. No. Bad. I meant like from the movie. Idiot. Oh, Basham. Hold on a second. Now?
Yep.
I'm gonna have to call you back.
Up.
Ew! Stop!
It's recording, so you can go whenever. Was it too windy?
Okay, we're gonna go find out. Do it. Let it burn. Okay.
Don't do it yet.
Yes, Matt, it's gonna start the... Little?
It is little.
What are you, nuts?
Am I gonna move?
Yeah, go.
Alright, so I'm gonna start over.
Good.
Okay.
Go.
Do it again. Keep it going.
I don't.
We were like, it was so funny though, because it was like,
I don't think that's funny.
I don't know. We go,
What's your problem?
I really don't know. But you know what? School is.
Why my nose? Your hands
Because I have to act like, you know.
Ah, you looked at the camera.
Keep going. What is wrong with you?
I heard.
You were so scared.
Look at each other.
Stop this train.
John Mayer.
I hate John Mayer.
I don't like John Mayer either.
I hate John Mayer.
Did you see me just go? I knew we did that our freshman year and we all got ISS for it.
You all got ISS? From who's your dean though?
Ew, I touched something
Get my
wet.
butt.
Ew.
Oh, that's a slingshot?
Don't.
They have plants on their roof.
They have a door there. From their bedroom.
Weird. Kind of cool though.
He's a police officer.
Is that why he has two ISS? A lot of policemen that have houses like that. They have. I mean, a lot of policemen have houses like that.
Just to watch?
No, I guess. Or maybe it's like an apartment up there.
No, I've been in their house. That's their bedroom.
What do you think?
Are you serious? Can we do a whole climbing
No.
thing again?
I don't know. I think
I feel like that was really cute, but me and Christian just can't be cute with each other.
Yeah.
Oh, no! Where are you going? Can that be it now? Ow! Oh, honey.
Walk into the tree.
See, if it wasn't for the alcohol, this wouldn't have burned so great. Beer. Any more beer? Oh my god. Oh my god.